Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through
How to change payment method on App Store on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store on your mobile device. Once inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon available in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on your name at the top. Now you will be authenticated with Face ID or Touch ID according to your iPhone's version. Then tap on the Manage Payments option available there. Then inside Manage Payment, you can add a new payment method or remove an existing one or update your current payment method. If you want to add a new payment method, you can simply tap on the add payment method and you can choose between options like credit card, debit card, if available in your region, or Apple ID balance, and you can follow the instructions to enter your payment details. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.